Okay, what's up? What's up, guys? Let me know if you hear me good. Leave me some feedback about the quality of the stream. Welcome, Philip. Is the quality good? Everything is good. Okay. How are you, Philip? How are you guys? Winter back to Poland today. A lot of snow dropped from the sky. So I feels like it's Christmas Eve, not Easter Eve. Yeah, in South Poland there is a lot of snow. To be honest, it's look like the middle of the winter. Okay, yesterday yesterday we have unemployment claims. Yeah, we talk about it, but we had Trump speech at 9 p.m. I tell you, I will drop something on the Discord if I see the setup. I saw the setup, but I'm not drop it on the Discord. I'm not feel confident with the setup, but everything played out as I'm show on this session. So if you were on this session, maybe you take advantage of what we talk about. Today, uh, we we go into it soon. First, let's look at Friday calendar. Today at 3 p.m. we have consumer sentiment. Outcome was negative for dollar, a bit worse than forecasted, and yeah, and much worse than previous. Um, Today, later after market close, we have a President Trump speaks. That guy like to speaks every day. We back to the time when Trump speaking every day, like last year, tariff stuff on April, March, May. President Trump speaks like every day. He speaks every day. Come on, now we are in the same phase. War with Iran, probably some new information about it. Uh, I can I can't say a lot about that speeches because Trump like to speak some fake info usually, and I don't know how to get it. You need to resolve it by yourself. I don't want to talk about it. Let's go to the chart. Um, yesterday yesterday and Wednesday we had the zero imbalance here on this session, and I said gold can go instantly to the upside or go down, accumulate and move up. That was the setups. First setup didn't hold. I was not positioned myself inside it because I was positioned myself lower. Then market go to our second zone, show the accumulation before the Donald Trump speech. They do a break of structure here on the 1 hour and die after it. Sweep liquidity to the downside. We were here on this session. They liquidate me. They liquidate myself. I got a stop loss after sweeping that equal lows. On this session, we talk it's most likely to sweep that lows when market falling, but anyway, I'm marking a position yesterday somewhere here, and they took it out once again. So after that two stop loss from here and here, I won't send anything on the Discord. We were here on this session. Where is that arrow? We were here. I was waiting for the break of structure, pulls back and move up. But I also tell you it can took a whole day because Trump's speech was 3 hours later than our stream. Oh, fail, fail, no BOS. So until Trump speaks, that was not valid setup because we not close above that POS here. We not close above that line. After Trump starts speaking, they do a breakout, pulls back, and continue to the upside. That was what I want to see. That was what I will show you earlier. They took the liquidity from equal lows here. Took the liquidity to the downside. Trump starts speaks. To be honest, when they're going down, uh, I was still waiting what they do. They pumping. I was also prepared for big drop and continue downside and leave it, not touch it. But when they do a break of structure and starting pulling back, I'm just position myself after that candle here. There is that was 1 minute. Yeah, that was not the engulfing volume, but I'm just positioning myself here in that candles after that 1 minute BOS. A bullish candle, bearish candle, and BOS here. So I play the setup inside it. I put my stop below the low, and I still holding it through whole today, whole day today. Yeah, I'm holding my position. They are going close my position from one of founding account I'm using because they closing the positions every Friday. I don't like it to be honest, but it is what it is. I have also a second account with different funded funded prop firm, and they are not closing my position, so I can hold it through the 4-hour change of character. Because now we are still dealing in that range. This is technically the bearish range. This is technically the bearish range, but all that range is inside the reversal zone, weekly reversal zone. You see, there is a weekly reversal zone. So I don't care of that bearish range. I'm playing only buys, and I want to it stick. There is also a crucial point to take out that high, but the best scenario will be take out that high. Taking out that high will be fire, to be honest. All of that possible reaccumulation I'm trading to the upside due to our reversal zone, weekly reversal zone. Reversal zone for weekly retracement. So, oh, we're gonna do maybe daily BOS. Will be cool. Friday is tricky at afternoon, at evening, after London close. I remember when we met in Krakow with Timmy, Philip, and with Chris. We were in the restaurant. Yeah, and that was that was inside this accumulation. I'm holding buys, and Philip with Timmy were bearish. I was bullish. We do a break of structure on that week here. That was a break of structure on the lower time frame. And Philip closed his position, his buy position before, and I was holding mine, and they back to my entry at least because that was Friday afternoon. Yeah, Friday. You can see that was Friday. Like I said, they back to my entry point, but overall, I milk the market anyway because I believe that was the reaccumulation. We have a range here, of course, on the lower time frame, 61 to 78. Hold it, and yeah, that was for the lower time frame. Candles are really big these days. Look at candles here, candle size here. I was playing 50 pips stop loss or something like that. And now I'm playing 500. The candle size are change, volatility. It's bigger volume now. Trading with bigger volume. More money is in the gold now, in the gold market. To be honest, trading is going to be more and more popular. A lot of retailers join the market. Also, uh, a big corporation putting their money into the market. Banks, more money. Because money are printing every day, so inflation uh, giving you more money, so more money in the market is more volatility. It will be more and more with upcoming years. 5 minute chart to meet with EMA 20, so maybe supporting something, but that's not a setup. That's only maybe potential pullback, but they can do a reaccumulation after that big move. They don't need to do a pullback. Maybe they can just reaccumulate and go, you know. It's Friday afternoon, so no rush. That Friday I was talk about a few minutes before, looking literally the same, and half hour later or 1 hour later, they, they were here. And candle flip, daily candle flip bearish. You see, daily candle flip completely bearish. That was open here, looks very bullish till 5 p.m. That was big green fat candle, and they then falls down, leave the wick and and close below the open. If the candle close below the open, it's a bearish candle. If candle close above the open, it's a bullish candle. Yeah, so that session is not about find the setup, because setup already running. I want to just make a session because at the Tuesday I was not able to do it. So bonus session today, and at least we win something. My position looking like 400 pips. I use 500 pips stop loss below the low, and my position looking like that. It hit over 1 to 3 today, and now it's around 1 to 3. We are in the reversal zone, but still in the bearish range. So I'm mindful of they can back to the entry and hit me break even. I don't care of it. I had thousand of trades who looks like that. I was up a lot of money, I'm risking I'm probably risking more than you. I'm sure I'm risking more than a new guy here. So yeah, imagine if they go here, printing a minimum year salary in Poland, and then back to the entry. It will be fine. I am fine. So that's a lot of money now, but I want to hold it through that high, 1 to 4, or this high. One of my account will be closed today for sure. When we break up that H4 change of character, the setups will be very easy because we're going to deal with with our favorite fib reaccumulation. With the uptrend. Uptrend is very easy on gold. So when we break it up, we're going to deal with an uptrend. In uptrend, I'm feeling like a fish in the water. So we just milk the market for sure. I believe a lot of pro traders were confused here. That was, to be honest, all of that was hard to play. You need to believe yourself a lot and manage your stop loss, your risk, because they can hit you out a multiple time before they go up. Until we hit when we hit that zone, I was bullish, and I still believe in the reversal. Maybe I'm crazy, but I still want to see a reversal. If it's fail, okay, I will looking lower and playing maybe some bearish setup before we come into it. But for now, that zone is not the problem. The problem now is if we break up that high or not. Maybe they're not going for it today, but our eyes on Sunday market open will be on that high. Yeah, let's say if we close like that, I will look for something like this on Sunday. Straight up or fill the imbalance and move up. Yeah, that was Tuesday, and to be honest, they are in the same level when Wednesday. Very similar. Okay, let me know if there is some question. It will be shorter stream because it's Friday. Market gonna be slower. Or maybe Trump just step in uh, next to his keyboard. At at that hour, he usually warm up his fingers. UJ still in the consolidation. Oil won't drop. It's just pushing out of EMA 20 on daily. Okay, dollar hits our zone and push up. We draw it on Wednesday, right? Yeah, probably we draw it on Wednesday. They hit into the zone and push up. And I want to see dollar here. That's our bigger picture for the dollar. So if someone take advantage of that setup, 1 to 10 GG's. Potential 1 to 10. Okay, I see there is no question. So we finish our session. I will be there. I will be there on Sunday with the Chris. Chris send you the all the geopolitics information and macroeconomics information on the Discord in this section, and he will be active on the chat for answering any question about the macroeconomics and geopolitics. Uh, and I do the technical analysis, as always. So, oh, you see, gold start dropping a bit. Gold start dropping a bit. Maybe that's a Magic Friday, like in December. Yeah, I want to push it up. So we will see. We'll see. Okay. Thank you for being here with me today, and we see again at Sunday. Have a great weekend and be careful because we are close to the market close. Bye bye.